Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can apply percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this is the formula. First, I'm going to calculate obtain marks. So how you can get? So you simply need to click on is equal to and sum. Then click on tab and select these three like this, close the bracket and hit on enter. So you can see that. Now scroll down, these are the obtained marks. So now I am going to calculate the percentage. So to get the percentage, I simply need to click on is equal to first, and then I need to click on obtained marks and divided by total marks, and then multiply it with static sign 100 and hit on enter. So this is a percentage. Let's drag down. So this is the percentage. So this is a process by which you can apply percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.